Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. It's a no contact reading. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from quite a long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can book your slots or mail me if you have any queries. So let's start. Aquarius, your person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Tower. Okay. So someone here, like the person that you are not connected to anymore, well, they're feeling like they should stay away from the drama, the toxicities, the negativities, the third parties. Somebody here is feeling like they should break free from all the drama, all the chaos, all the conflict, all the third parties, all the toxicities and negativities that they have ever gone through in this lifetime. It's not about you only. Now this person is feeling like they are breaking free from a lot of negativity, lot of toxicity, lot of uh, that unhealthy kind of energies. They feel like breaking free from those kind of patterns and working on themselves, their money, their job, their career, everything about them right now. They feel like they should be focused on themselves only as much as they can. Hmm. Wow. It's like they're understanding the real meaning of detachment in a healthy way. And because of this disaster between you and them, they're learning to how to come back home. And home is their independence, their money, their job, their career, their everything. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Three of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles. See, till this point they were having some kind of energy of, okay, maybe it is going to work out between me and Aquarius at some point of time. Now they are realizing it's high time for them to move on towards calmer water and let this thinking go, and let this energy of wanting to collaborate with you, wanting to connect with you, go as far as they can. Sorry, I was about to sneeze. I got freeze. Anyway, so it's like now they're understanding that this situation is kind of gone, and they should definitely move on towards calmer water, and slowly but surely they will be able to move on from the situation completely. It's just a matter of time. So this is somebody, Aquarius, who is finally breaking free from the chains of toxicity and negativity, or feeling attachment, unhealthy kind of attachment between you and them. Now they're realizing it's going to take time for them to move on completely from the situation, and they are moving on to the next chapter of their life. They want to be like, okay, slow and steady is going to win the race. Let's not rush. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 15th of December. We have the Ace of Cups, Empress, and the Six of Wands. Wow. So, honey Aquarius, this person is kind of moving towards new love, new person, new energy. Meanwhile, they are going to make sure that they are going to let you know that they're enjoying their life to the fullest. They're opening up to new people, new experiences, new things, and they're quite happy in their life. For some of you, it could be possible that they're already getting married or committed to somebody else in the near future. They already did that, and or they are about to do that in the near future, but they're going to make sure that you know that they are doing really well in their life. Now, when it comes to their feelings and their intentions, this person is quite sure that this is done between you and them, and now they're kind of like heading towards healing and connecting with new people, new energy. I'm not saying energies, energy, or at least they're trying. So I don't see them although I don't see them connecting with you, but I do see them trying to make sure that you know what's going on in their life by maybe directly connecting with you or indirectly telling you, indirectly showing you. that they're moving on and they're kind of open to new people, new energies, and they're kind of not stuck on you anymore. I'm so sorry, Aquarius, if it is breaking your heart, but this is something that you need to know. Maybe it's a temporary energy, or maybe this person realized big time that this is over, this is done. But for the time being, they're kind of opening up to new people, new connection, and new situation, and moving ahead in their life instead of coming towards you. But they're making sure that you know what they are up to and how beautiful their life is, and they're moving on. For you, the guidance here is just do the right thing, and the right thing by all means in this situation is to like go ahead and never look back, because this is done, this is gone. Even if you think it is not done, it is not gone, it's gone, it's done. You should not be, stuck on this particular person or situation, and keep yourself stuck in the loop. So go ahead and never look back. That's the simplest thing I can say to you in this situation as a guidance. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.